Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. The single layer deck, the convection ovens. For these units, they're using 240 volts and they're using the 3 phases. And let's take a measurement for the units. The overall length is about like 38 inches wide. The depth of the major body will be 30.5 inches deep. And the height of the unit is about like 29.5 inches tall. For this unit, just for demonstrations, we install the legs. But when you purchase it, they are not include legs, no wheels. This is for the extra purchase for the units. For these control panels at the front, we can see they have a fan controllers. They have a cookings and temperature adjust high and low, and also have a timers here. This knob, you can set in the times for it. Have 2 indicators to show the powers and the cookings, and also have a knob for the temperatures. You can adjust the heights from the the lowest will be 150, maximum will be 500, and also having the power lights and the light switchers. On the side of the units, we're having the ETL sanitation stickers. They come with the details of the cut sheets for the units. And the front door, we have 2 handles. You can push one side and open the other one. And we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. For this rack, it's about like 21 inches deep and 29 inches wide. And the overall height is about like 19.5 inches tall. As we can see the front, these have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. All the height is adjustable. And also for the inner side back, you can see the big fan at behind and have a lights on the side and have a exhaust like a connection pipe. You can see over there the connections. Let's turn around to see the back. For this back, we have a big motor area. For this motor informations and all the detailed informations like how many amps and power connections, cut sheets all on the stickers. Let me give you the space for this area. It's about like 11 inches deep and 11.5 inches wide. And the height is about like 30.5 inches tall. This will be the more information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.